Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Before you begin, you'll need to make sure that your kale plant is ready to harvest. You'll know when it's ready when it's about 12 inches tall and the leaves are the size of your hand or bigger. Leaves that are the size of your palm are younger and more tender, whereas the bigger leaves will be older and a bit tougher.
Take our lead.
After the first harvest, you can come back for more when the leaves have grown to about the size of an adult hand. Depending on your growing zone and the time of year, you can gather new greens every 1 to 2 weeks.
Let's help you make your mark.
Does kale come back every year? Although kale is normally grown as an annual plant, it is actually a biennial, which means it has a 2-year life cycle. In its first growing season, your kale plant will produce lots of leafy green foliage.
Let's help you make your mark.
Kale can bolt the following spring when it overwinters in your garden. When the temperatures begin to warm, it can send up a flower stalk because it is a biennial plant that produces flowers and seed the second year of its life cycle. The leaves will become more bitter when it bolts.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can stem, slice or tear the leaves, rinse them, dry them well in a salad spinner or with kitchen towels, and store the leaves, wrapped in a paper towel in a zip-top plastic bag, for up to 3 days. With a knife, or your hands, remove the kale stems before blanching and freezing.
Take our lead.
Warm weather can make kale bitter and tough. While cool temperatures are the key to sweet leaves, you can help keep roots cool by mulching around plants. Making sure plants remain well watered also improves leaf flavor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.